guys, welcome back to a new video, or welcome if this is your first time stopping by. Today I have a huge Shein haul for you, so I'm not going to spend too much time talking. I would just really appreciate it if you guys would consider liking this video, giving it a thumbs up, and maybe subscribing to my channel. So yeah, let's just jump right into the video because we have a lot of pieces to get through. First outfit I wanted to show you guys, this is the full look. This is how I would style it if I was wearing it out. So it comes with the mini skirt, it comes with the little cropped jacket. The material on this is like a medium thickness and it is actually really soft and comfortable. So the only thing I will say is that if you are on the curvier side like me, if you have like a larger booty and wider hips, it is a little bit shorter in the back, so this is definitely something I would have to wear with like a coat draped over it because it's just a little bit too short in the back for me. And you can definitely wear both pieces by themselves. You don't have to wear it as a set. These stockings, I don't know where they're from, but I will link something similar down below. I just found them in my my dresser. These boots are from Just Fab. I will also link them down below. I absolutely love this print. I have been seeing it everywhere. Again, I love the material on this. It's really soft, it's comfortable. It's definitely going to keep you warm but cool at the same time because it is a mini skirt. So love this little set, highly recommend it. Okay, so we have this outfit, and this outfit is paired with these boots that are from Shein. So I love these chunky boots. They are really in right now. So I do really like this one because even though this is a mini skirt and it is short in the back just like the other one, this one has like the coat, so I already have a coat to cover the back, so I don't have to worry about it. Again, the material on this one feels really nice. It's definitely like a medium thick coat. Of course, you can wear this entire outfit like this. You can wear both pieces. It is sold as a set, or you can just wear the skirt by itself. You can wear the jacket by itself. It's a really nice jacket, by the way, perfect for the fall time. These boots are so comfortable. So even though they're a chunky boot, they're pretty light on my feet and they're very, very comfortable, and they definitely give me a look for less. So I highly recommend these boots. So as you can see, the skirt is high-waisted just like the other one. The print is another like gingham print. It's very similar to the first one I just showed you, but a little bit different. Again, soft material, thick material. This tank is just from Walmart. So this is what the coat looks like. It does not close up and it does not have any pockets on it. Next up we have this outfit. So this is a two-piece set. So this black ribbed crop tank and these flannel plaid pants are from Shein and they are sold as a set. These shoes are from Shein. They do have a nice little heel on them. And then this little mini purse is also from Shein. So you guys, how adorable is this purse? It's so cute and so mini. I thought this was a perfect like going out look, a perfect like dinner look. And then I'm going to pair them with the combat boots in a minute. So the outfit itself is very casual, but I feel like the shoes definitely dress it up along with the bag. I do feel like this part here is just a tad bit tight, but I can tell it's going to loosen out as I wear it throughout the day. So now if you want to make this outfit a lot less dressy and more casual, throw on a trench coat like this one and a chunky boot. So this trench coat I'm absolutely in love with because of the contrasting colors. Like, this is so cute. You're going to have to excuse me for not steaming this coat before the video. I ran out of time, but you get the idea. Imagine that it was steamed. It'll look 100 times better than it does right now. This coat is beautiful. It does have like a little string in the back, and I just love all the colors in it. This coat does not have pockets, but again, it does have this little string belt so you can tie it around your waist. So if you want a more casual dressed down look, definitely throw on the combat boots. If you want to dress it up, throw on back the heels, and I would probably throw on like a leather jacket with it to make it look really cute for date night. But if you're just hanging out or running errands, this is perfect. And then I have these pants. I'm just pairing it with the same cropped tank from before. So as you can tell, these pants are stretchy. They are high-waisted. This drawstring does not work. It's just there for show. So this is more of like a stretchy spandex material, and as you can tell, it is a skinny leg, so that's what it looks like tucked into the boot. I highly recommend these pants because they're comfortable, they're lightweight, they're stretchy, they do not have pockets, FYI, but I don't know, there's something about them that's just like, I don't know, I just love them and they're just so comfortable. Okay, so next up I have this three-piece set. These shoes are from Shein, by the way. They're so comfortable. I love, love, love the look for less look of them. I love how chunky they are. They're super lightweight on your feet. I will say that all of the shoes do fit true to size so far, and they're really comfortable, and the quality is pretty great. So as you can see, this is like a little cropped tank right here, and then this part you just put over, so it gives you like the illusion of a cutout detail. I have been seeing this type of style around since I think last fall, and it's still around. I still like it. So as you can tell, these pants are high-waisted and they are a stretchy material. The material on this outfit is like medium thick, so it's definitely going to keep you warm. I just think it's so cute, and as you can tell, it is a jogger style at the bottom. So here's what the entire outfit looks like with the shoes and everything. So cute. Love this color. This is like my favorite color to wear in the fall time. Honestly, all year round, I love this color. I think this outfit is so cute, and I highly, highly recommend it. So next up we have this outfit. This is a three-piece set. I would probably pair this one with some like white sneakers. So it does come with this like little cropped tank. It also does come with these joggers. They do not have pockets. It also comes with the cropped hoodie, which is also lightweight. So I really like this outfit just because it's so comfortable. It's so easy to wear. It's an entire outfit. You have all three pieces. So the only thing I will say is that the white part of the joggers is see-through. That's why my hand is like covering myself, because that part is see-through. So I definitely recommend wearing nude underwear when wearing this outfit. Or you can even layer like a long coat over it. It's so cute. I love the contrasting colors. I love how lightweight it is. The material feels great. This can be zipped up if you want, and it is a hoodie, so it does have like a little hood in the back. I just love, 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 love this brown color. Next up we have this two-piece outfit set and these shoes that are from Shein. I wasn't sure if I should tie them in the back, to the side, or the front, so I kind of did one to the side and then one to the back, but I don't think I like the way the back one looks, so maybe to the side or to the front will look better. These shoes are also comfortable. They do have like a little heel. So I am obsessed with this outfit. It is so soft on the skin. It is so comfortable. As you can tell, it is an off-the-shoulder top. It is a crop top. You get this high-waisted skirt as well. And this little belt, you actually tie yourself, so you can wear it with the outfit, or you can just not put it on at all and just wear the two-piece set by itself. But I just, oh my gosh, I love, 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 love this. This is perfect for the fall time. It's perfect for date night. This is just so beautiful, so comfortable. I love everything about it. The length is perfect for me. It's not too short, not too long, just perfect. My measurements are linked down below, by the way, with everything I'm showing you in today's video in case you want to purchase anything. I do have a coupon code for you guys as well, which will be listed down below. So if you're looking for a date night outfit, a girl's brunch outfit, this is perfect. These shoes are comfortable, so I highly recommend everything here. 10 out of 10. Love this one. So next up we have this dress. It's perfect for like Thanksgiving dinner or something like that because it's really pretty. The color is like beautiful. This this part here does work, so you can cinch it in. Excuse me not steaming this dress as well. It's like a light to medium weight dress, not super thick but not super light either. Pretty decent length as well. As you can see, it's not short but it's not long. It pretty much stops right above the knees. I love it. I think it's a really nice and simple dress. This dress would also look really nice with some like knee-high boots or over the knee boots. So next up we have this outfit that I did pair with the same black shoes from earlier and the same little mini bag. So as you can tell, there's a lot of lace going on here, and I don't know, you should be able to see that these are actually like little hearts. So I like that detail. I think it's so cute. So as you can also tell, it is like double lined, so you have the dress part here. It goes up to here on me, so it is like a mini dress, and then you do have the sheer material over it. I am 5 feet 4 inches, and the sheer material does go pretty much down to my knees, a little bit past my knees. So yeah, I really like this dress. It's giving you both a mini dress and a midi dress at the same time. So this dress is perfect for date night if you're looking for a date night dress, maybe a wedding guest dress. It's very sexy. Material is nice and lightweight on this one. So next up, I just have a bunch of tops to show you with the same pair of jeans. So these are some mom jeans and they fit true to size. These are a size 14. They're comfortable, they are high-waisted, and they're just really cute. They're a nice like lightweight jeans, so not super heavy and thick, but not super thin either. And then I have this really pretty cropped sweatshirt. I did wear this in a previous video. If you did see it, it's my Old Navy haul. I will link it down below for you guys. So this is the sweater I was wearing in that video. As you can tell, it is cropped, but it's cropped and the right amount of oversized for me. I love the way it fits. It also has this little half zip right there, so that's really nice. So I already wore this outfit out to run errands, and I think I just wore it with some like loafers or some flats or something like that. So really simple, really easy. As you can tell, these jeans do have a lot of distressing on them. Just a really simple, easy, casual outfit. So this is the first one, and now let's move on into the next outfit. By the way, this is like a medium weight material. So next up is this really cute hoodie, and it kind of looks like a little corset top. So it is longer in the front and it is a little bit cropped in the back, as you can see. So very comfortable. You can wear a tank under this if you want, or you can just wear like a low cut bra and wear it just as is. I don't know, I just really like the style of it. It's so fun and cute. So it works really well with jeans. So it's kind of casual but kind of dressy at the same time, and I do like the fact that the back of it is not too cropped, so none of my rolls will be showing or anything like that. So yeah, I really like this one. Okay, how cute is this cardigan set? So it does come with this like little cropped tank, and it does come with the fuzzy cardigan. It is so soft, you guys. I love it. Again, paired with the same jeans. This is so cute. It does have pockets. It feels really nice on the skin. Incredibly soft. Like, I love it. This is definitely comparable to like Skims. It's definitely giving me a look for less. Love this. Love the color. Perfect for the fall time. This is an entire outfit right here that I would definitely wear out and about, or you can just like lounge with this at home because it is so soft and comfy. You feel like you're wrapped in a blanket. I love this one so much. I highly recommend it. As you can see, the sleeves do cinch at the wrist. So cute, you guys. That's what the back of it looks like. So next up we have this really fun top, which I do feel like you might be able to size down one in it, because I do feel like I have a lot of extra fabric on this one. So that's just my suggestion, size down one. Also, this part keeps opening up on me, that's why I say that. So I would have to pin this little portion here. So this part here, as you can tell, is like flowy. It goes down all the way almost to my knees, so I love the look of it. I think it's very like sophisticated and chic. This would look great with like faux leather pants, I think. And then the sleeves do flare out like that. It is so cute, and it has this like ruffled detail up here. I think the colors work well for the fall time and even into the springtime as well. I just love the style of it. It's so unique and different. So yeah, love this one. Just size down one, and the material is really like silky and soft and lightweight. So next up we have this cardigan. I just threw on the same black tank from earlier. Love the look of the pearls. It's so cute. The material on this one is so soft. I love it. I love how cozy it feels. It does have pockets, as you can see. It does go down pretty long on me, so it does cover me in the back, and then it goes almost to my knees, just maybe like 2 or 3 inches before my knees. I'm obsessed with these pearls. I don't have anything like this, and I just, oh my gosh, I love the pearls on this sweater. Again, I don't know what you call this exactly, but I love it. I wish I had like a gray tank or a gray shirt to show you what it looks like on. I think that would have looked way better, but I only have this black one for now. But I think a gray like tee or a gray ribbed tank like this one would look really great with it. It will look similar to the 3-piece outfit I showed you in the beginning, when the style had like that little cutout detail and it was a 3-piece set in like that nude tan color. I love the oversized sleeve, and it does have some detailing on it. The material is pretty nice and lightweight. It's not super heavy or thick. This would probably even look really great over like a dress or something like that. I think that would be a cute look as well. As you can see there, the back is longer, so that's a nice little detail. And then this is the very last top I had to show you guys, and I paired it with the same black heels to give you like a full outfit look. This is definitely more of a dressy top. I believe I did size down one in this top, just because I wanted it to be a little bit more fitted here. So as you can see, it's a crisscross contrasting color top, and it does have like a little bit of a cutout here. You probably could stick to your regular size if you want it to be a little bit more comfortable, but I do feel like this is comfortable even though it's one size smaller than I'm used to wearing. The material is stretchy on this one, so that does help. I just love it, you guys. I think it is so cute. This is definitely a fun outfit look for like girls' night or something like that. So yeah, highly recommend this one. The material is soft. It's a light to medium weight top. So this is the back of it. It is pretty long, and then the front just has like the crisscross and little cutout detail. So I love this top. I think it is so cute and so fun and definitely different. And yeah, that pretty much wraps up this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel. I would really appreciate it, and everything is linked down below. Don't forget to use my discount code to save some money so you don't pay full price. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of your day. Thank you again for watching this video, and I will see you next time. Bye!